What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Michael just got brand new motor mounts for the Audi, so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go down to his place and we're gonna help him install the new mounts and jack around. And you guys can see we cleaned up the shop a little bit, put some more lighting in there because we got a big project on the way. But let's head to Mike's. We'll see you down there.
What are we doing today, Michael?
Hold on, I gotta mentally prepare. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on the Audi. We got some new mounts. One with torque solution mounts. These are polyurethane. Come to find out, the stock mounts can't handle double the power. Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Right? So these should be a nice upgrade. We went ahead and did the 034 Motorsports billet aluminum lower mount insert. A lot of people get the polyurethane ones. I don't know. I like metal. So that's what we're going with.
I heard you like wood.
I also like wood.
Is it nap time?
Yes.
Nap time.
So this mount, it's right here. Underneath this harness. And the other mounts over here. Real easy. Should be anyway. This guy over here. It's like the machining.
It's pretty. Torque Solutions.
Wow! Look at the machining. That's so nice. I don't know. Something about machine parts is just so satisfying.
See, that's why you need to go to the gym and do leg day. Oh, that was a good sound.
This mount is like literally moving around as I loosen this up. Ah, oh, that's nifty. That's it. Really? That's all it takes? You're wrong, and I can write a 12-paragraph paper as to why you're wrong. There we go. That's in there now. That's probably enough room.
Should throw it to the dishwasher.
Just a few bugs.
Got some rocks in there.
Fucking filters a unit. Got it.
Shiny new hardware.
Oh, well, clearly this mount is fucked. Hey, look. It fits. Oh, wait. It doesn't fit. Why doesn't it fit? But maybe it moved that much when I took it out.
It did. I watched it.
Oh, okay.
I have video surveillance.
I have video footage of you being an idiot, so. Step one, never trust what they send you. They use the same round coolant reservoir for like every fucking Volkswagen ever. Satisfying, yeah. Oh, yeah. Questionable here. Very questionable.
Look like 14s
Or 15s. What is it? 15. Ha!
It's not even really that bad. Like, seriously. Like, clear, like, it's not even like shaking the steering wheel.
Feels normal.
Right.
Yeah, there's no vibrations.
I mean, there's like a little bit through the wheel, but like,
Barely.
there's like a little rev there. This way, it's still cool, not too much. Yeah, it's got a little bit through the wheel.
It's not bad though.
Oh, like, seriously.
Huh?
Livable.
I don't know if you can hear that beeping, but it's really fucking annoying.
A lot of resonating. Feels good. Feels tight.
It does. It feels pretty solid.
Doesn't, like when I downshift, yeah, like shifts are like more,
Precise.
yeah, like it doesn't feel like there's some slop when I'm downshifting. Like it just downshifts and it's tight. That's nice.
Point like a toy gun.
We're gonna do it full send.
Lunch time.
Time for the lunch. We're gonna go home and we're gonna eat some lunch. We're just gonna send it. I can't use my traction. Check it here. Well, I want to thank everyone for tuning in and watching the video today. In conclusion, the mounts in this thing made a huge difference, put way more power to the ground. Actually able to pop all the wheels and launch control, so that's cool. Honestly, if anyone's looking to get these mounts, I'd highly recommend them. If you get them at USP Motorsports, you get a great price, free shipping. Can't really complain. That all being said, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching again. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell Michael to clean out his car. And maybe go to the gym too, because he had a few problems getting those bolts free. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.